Hello guys, at last I'm back. This is Ricky Ricardo. Welcome back to my travel vlog. So guys, today I'm here in the beautiful place. I'm here in Umingan, Pangasinan. So guys, if you are wondering what I'm doing here, is because this is my wife's hometown. This is the beautiful province of Umingan, Pangasinan. Ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-vlog due to lockdown. But now I'm back. Guys, na-miss ko kayo. And I know that you missed me too. Kung ako tatanungin nyo, I missed myself. So guys, this is called the Mountain View Deck here in Barangay Diaz, Umingan, Pangasinan. So later on, we're gonna climb up there. I'll show it to them, babe. We're gonna climb there to the view deck and let's see how beautiful is this place. Alright? Alright guys, so this is what they call the view deck. I think the reason that why they build this attraction is, I think, as I can see, this is the highest point here in Barangay Diaz. So it's actually pretty neat if you're going to put the view deck here, which you will see the whole 360 view. So we're just waiting for our turn because as you can see here, maximum of 8 persons allowed on the view deck. So if I'm going to go to the view deck, it will be a maximum of 3 persons allowed because I'm equivalent to 5 to 4 persons, I think. Of course, ang ating priority dito, safety is our first priority, right? So guys, I really recommend this place. You should try and visit this place. I recommend this for lovers. Yes, you can see the background. Yeah, you can have a date here with your loved ones, or you can celebrate your birthday here alone if you are alone. That's a very good example of alone. He's celebrating his birthday alone. Guys, interview natin siya isa resident ka rito, no, sir? Ano pangalan mo?
John Rick.
John Rick. Si Ricky Ricardo, paano mo ako para? Kamusta naman ang pamamasyal mo rito?
Ayos naman po.
Ba't nag-iisa ka?
Wala akong naghanap ko ng kasama.
Dapat ang ganap ka mo ng kasama bago ka pumunta rin. Huwag ka magkakasama mo na ako. Hindi ka halo.
Kasama na.
Just kidding guys. This is my wife's cousin. He's with us. So guys, for now, since we're waiting for our turn, we're just gonna sit here in this very cozy. I think this is their waiting area if you want to wait for your turn at the view deck. Alright guys, it's our turn now. Nice. We're here now in the view deck, so yeah, we can pretty much see beautiful mountain range there. Yeah. Show it to them, but it's pretty cloudy out there. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So guys, you can just go ahead and go up straight here and bring your own food, but you can also eat. There's a near restaurant here. They serve very delicious food. And what's the name of the restaurant? Jezra? Jezra. Yeah, that's the name of the restaurant, just beneath this hill. You can actually order from here, and then they'll bring the food here for you. So this is the best angle here. You can see the mountain at the back, and yeah, that's pretty much everything that you can do here. So just relax, enjoy the view. So after this, we're gonna go to another attraction here in Umingan, Pangasinan, which is the mini chocolate hill. So let's go.
Ano yan?
Fishing well. So this is the mini swimming pool with lots of money. Welcome here in the beautiful province of Umingan, Pangasinan, where my wife was born, where I end up. Guys, we're now going back to the vehicle, and it's time for us to go home.